welcome back to the channel. We are heading to the coast, and we're gonna do a little challenge of DOA shrimp and gulp shrimp. We're gonna cast 5 times on each on a popping cork and see which one gets more bites. The weather's really bad though. Winds are up to 15 miles per hour, gusts up to 22, 23. We got about a 3-hour window before it starts pouring. We are expected to get that low front, and it's going to push some rain. So it's about 6:45. We'll be in the water in the next 15 minutes, and let's get on it. Whenever you get a chance to fish, I know weather usually doesn't play out, but we got a chance today and we're fishing. So stay tuned, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get on the water. Alright guys, so we started the challenge. I didn't take the camera out because it was raining, so but it's 1-1. We caught one on gulp shrimp and one on the DO8 shrimp, so it stopped, so we're gonna continue doing it. It's gnarly out here, so I'm not gonna be out here for that long, so let's see which one wins. They're 1-1 right now, and stay tuned. Let's go. So we just sent out the gulp shrimp. Trying to make big pops. It's pretty windy and it's cold. We're fishing about maybe 3 feet of water. Maybe. It's oyster beds up there. Never been here before. Only bad thing about it, we had duck hunters, so couldn't get to this area when I wanted, at the time I wanted. And then it started raining, and the ducks were flying, so they're getting some luck. So I went into a little cut. Yeah, I can see those are that's a duck, and I could hear them shooting. They were shooting my way, so I was just trying to be careful. That's a little blind right there, and I didn't want to interrupt their thing. I know ducks are very particular. Whatever they see they don't like, they won't get close. So I didn't want to ruin their after Thanksgiving hunting trip. It seemed like they had a young boy with them, so that was a good experience for him. Since the time I was here, I got here around 7:15. I heard about 100 shots, so that's good. Hopefully they got some food on the table and they'll enjoy it today. There's a lot of commotion, a lot of people are off, people are shopping, so a lot of cars driving by, stopping by, watching the action. I don't have a lot of time though. Maybe about an hour and a half before the rain really comes down. I saw 3 dead pigs on the road. I saw 2 huge bucks like driving into the coast. Right before I got to where I'm fishing at, I saw a nice decent buck. Oh, it's vultures. They're moving. Thought there were pigs, but it's vultures. Something under the structure, or close to the structure, not under. That's how I lost that big trout last time. It was epic. Yeah, I win them all. It's fine. That is totally fine. Happened. That's why he's fishing. I would not want it another way. Hi guys, we're floating back, and I think we got us our first legal red. Took that DOA shrimp all the way. Oh baby, yes, that's a legal red. I still measure him, but I think he's 21. He wanted that all the way in. Sweet. Alright guys, that was it. It was alright. I love the cone. I'm not too worried about it being cold. It just takes you a little longer to find the fish. But it's just the wind factor. I just saw a deer, that's why I got distracted. The wind factor is what kills you on a kayak. And then the duck hunters. The duck hunter, oh my god, that's a gorgeous buck. Deer, wow. Wow. He's a monster. Let me see if I can check this bad boy out. Wow. This little neighborhood here is like full of wildlife. Saw some pigs and big old buck right there. Okay, like I was saying, I don't even remember what I was saying. I saw the deer just chilling there. He's guarding a doe. There's a doe maybe about 7 to 8 yards away from him, so he's guarding her. It's getting to that point. It's getting to that point. All right, and it went well. I mean, cold. I love the cold, like I said. It's just the wind, and it messes with you, and it really gets you tired. So, but it was all right. And the duck hunters, that's what I was gonna say. The duck hunters, they beat me to the punch again. They were there, and they were shooting towards where I wanted to go fish. I had seen it on the map. On the map, it doesn't show the blind, so they built that blind recently, and they were there. So once I got on the water, they weren't shooting. I couldn't see them. They're in the blind, and once I got close to them, one of them flashed the light to me, and then I noticed there was something there. So I cut to the left to a little cut that was there. but it wasn't that good. I caught a little red and I fished there for like an hour, hoping they would leave, but for the whole hour they were shooting at least 100 shots at least. So it was good for them. I'm glad, because there was a little boy with them, so it was a good experience for him. And then after that, they got out and I moved on past them. Once I moved on past them, that's where I wanted to actually fish, and I caught a trout and I caught another dinker red, and then I went to the back lakes, another section I wanted to go to, and I eventually caught a nice red that I actually recorded. It was raining, so I had my camera on and off, so I didn't capture it when I set the hook, but I captured it when I actually got them in the kayak. So it was all right. Thank y'all for staying to the end, and I'll be back to this place for sure once the wind dies down. And I mean, you get out here whenever you have a chance. I had a chance today, had a chance tomorrow, but tomorrow the conditions are even worse. So and it's Saturday, so it's family time. Get to spend time with the family and enjoy the Saturday or the weekend. And I don't like going on a weekend out fishing if I can spend it with the family. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. Until next time, guys.